again to the Doogee Show. Today we're gonna talk about one interesting functionality in your DG700 that you probably don't know about. OTG enable USB. All you need is one of these, and there are plenty of things you can do with your DG700. There are main three things that you can do with your 700 and your OTG enabled USB over here. One, you can use input devices like a mouse, a keyboard. Second, you can use your 4000 milliampere battery on this mobile to charge other devices. And the third one, you can use it to enter USBs, to read data from USB and other media devices. Let's demonstrate one by one. Let's demonstrate the first one. First of all, you need one of these cables. It costs hardly $1 or $1, 5 renminbi or €1. It's really inexpensive, one of these things. So first, let's demonstrate with one of these very cheap mouse we have in here. It's connected, and you see it's instant. You instantly can use the mouse. Probably the mouse is not the most useful thing you can use with a mobile, but you can also use a keyboard if you are out in the wild and you suddenly feel like you need to write a long article, whatever. You can use a very cheap, inexpensive USB keyboard, and you can write whatever you want in this mobile. Second, and a very interesting functionality in this mobile, since it comes with a really large battery, is that you can use it with your normal USB charger, cable, and another phone. You can use it to charge other USB devices. As you can see, right now we are charging this phone using this phone's battery. This can come very handy when you're out in the middle of nowhere and you have to use a light, charge a friend's phone or whatever. Anything that comes with a USB connector like this, you will be able to charge from this phone. Finally, you can read USB devices like this. For example, an expensive thumb drive. Just put it in here. You see it's reading it already, preparing SD card, reading for errors, and you can access the contents of this USB over here. No problem. And it's not only limited to USB thumb drives. You can also use an expensive USB card reader. For example, if you're in the middle of nowhere and you want to read the pictures in your camera, you can just use one of these. Put it in here. We give it a couple of seconds. Okay. We have to wait like half a minute at most. And now you are ready to send pictures from your SD card to your friends. Finally, another interesting thing you can do is, if you have someone else's phone, like this is our Hitman 850, you can read the content of this phone from this phone just by connecting a normal USB cable. You have to press turn on USB storage. Okay, no problem. Cancel. You give it a few seconds, and now we can access the content of this phone from this phone just using this little OTG cable and any USB normal cable you have. And to demonstrate, we're gonna pass this picture that is in that phone to this phone. So we just press copy and we put it in, for example, music, just to make sure we don't get it wrong. Press OK, and the picture is already in our phone. You can use Bluetooth, of course, but this gives you USB speeds, so you can send really big files like movies, lots of pictures at USB speeds. And now you see the picture that was in this phone now is in this phone.
Bye.